Welcome to part 2. This is all of the slime that I got. Let's go. Those still now. Okay. I open it very goodly. Oh! Whole patch of. Guys, comment if you put the slime down. Guys, I didn't. Yeah, I did not. You said yes. I said yes because I just put glue. Because one time, this is like butter slime. The other slime is over there. So, some of my slimes are getting blue. Can you give me like a tool or something? Give me popcorn. I want popcorn. Stop.
Parang gusto ko talaga maging. Gusto ko maging nature and photographer. Wow. Okay, boy, grabe ka. Akala mo nag-joke ako?
Yeah.
Ay, hindi ah. Nag-second place kaya ako. August 2017.
Here, if
Not
you want
Hero Photo of the
some.
Month.
No, it's for the it's for the people. Have a bite. It's ASMR. Stop it. People don't wanna hear your ASMR.
Listahan naman mga dahilan para na bawal face.
There, yeah.
Gusto mo makita? Oo naman. Pakinggan mo na lang. Interesting to pero maaliw. Dahil masarap ang sisig.
Look at this, guys. Almost done. There's just some in the corner of this.
Grand Canyon. Climb Mount Everest. Dahil gusto pa makita ang Berlin Wall. Mag-picture doon. Ito, gusto ko to. Kumanta ng tatlong kanta ng tuloy-tuloy, hindi hinihingal. Magpaharana sa taong mahal mo.
Gonna fix this now.
Skydive. Pumunta ng dunsol and swim with a shark.
I love you a lot.
Seb art.
If you want the popcorn to be most of your
Pauwiin si Mama sa Pilipinas.
That's disgusting. Anyways, I took off all of the slime. This is all of the slime I got back.